Welcome to JDM Moter Vibes, your go-to destination for premium car content from around the globe. Whether you're a fan of Japanese tuners or high-performance European machines, we bring you the latest reviews, insights, and driving experiences. Today, we dive into one of the most exciting performance SUVs of 2025, the Audi RSQ8. A perfect blend of aggressive design, cutting-edge technology, and raw power, the RSQ8 represents the pinnacle of Audi's engineering in the SUV segment. At first glance, the 2025 Audi RSQ8 commands attention with its bold and muscular presence. The large single-frame grille with honeycomb mesh, aggressive air intakes, and signature LED matrix headlights create a look that's both luxurious and intimidating. Audi has refined the exterior slightly for 2025, adding sharper lines and updated lighting graphics that enhance its modern appeal. Sitting on massive 23-inch wheels and with a wider stance than the regular Q8, the RSQ8 isn't shy about its performance credentials. Under the hood, the 2025 RSQ8 packs a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that delivers a staggering 591 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. This powerplant is mated to an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission that sends power to all four wheels through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. As a result, the RSQ8 can launch from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds, which is blisteringly fast for a vehicle of this size and weight. The top speed is electronically limited to 250 km/h, but with the optional dynamic package, it can be raised to 305 km/h. Despite its size, the RSQ8 offers impressive handling thanks to its adaptive air suspension, all-wheel steering, and active roll stabilization system. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or pushing through high-speed corners, the RSQ8 remains composed and agile. Audi's Drive Select system allows drivers to switch between various modes like Comfort, Auto, Dynamic, and Individual, tailoring the driving experience to different conditions and preferences. Inside, the RSQ8 is a showcase of luxury and technology. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials such as Valcona leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim. The 2025 model introduces subtle enhancements in the dashboard layout and seat design, improving both aesthetics and ergonomics. The dual touchscreen MMI system remains at the center of the infotainment experience, offering crisp visuals and responsive controls. Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus adds a customizable 12.3-inch digital display right in front of the driver, giving instant access to navigation, performance data, and media controls. Rear passengers are treated to ample legroom and comfort, making the RSQ8 as suitable for family journeys as it is for spirited solo drives. The cargo area is generous for an SUV in the performance category, offering practical usability without compromising on luxury or speed. Additional features like a Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, ambient lighting, panoramic sunroof, and 4-zone climate control elevate the interior experience to a truly premium level. In terms of safety and driver assistance, the 2025 RSQ8 is packed with features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Audi's advanced driver assistance systems not only enhance convenience but also provide a reassuring sense of security during high-speed cruising or urban driving. From every angle, the 2025 Audi RSQ8 represents a masterclass in blending performance with practicality. It carries the DNA of a true sports car while offering the space and comfort of a luxury SUV. Whether you're a performance enthusiast or someone who simply enjoys the finer things in automotive design, the RSQ8 delivers an uncompromised driving experience. Thank you for watching this review on JDM Moter Vibes. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay updated with more in-depth car reviews, news, and global automotive content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community.